to all the accused, what are the grounds court has taken to grant this bail?
See, we have to receive the complete order copy to comment. But as of now, we have got comment from the court and verdict from the court that the petition has been allowed. So it means that they have granted, they are going to be released on bail, and we have to go through the complete order sheet, which is which has been drafted. We will apply the copy once we receive the order. After that, we will analyze and we will be in better position to comment anything.
Any surety challenge this verdict, sir, before the higher court?
Definitely yes. Once we have the order sheet, we have to go through the order sheet. We will see on what ground the bail has been granted. If grounds, we will see the grounds, and accordingly, if we feel like it has to be appealed in the higher court, we will go to approach high court for the same. But as of now, we are waiting for the complete order sheet.
Sir, what were the arguments given in the court today, like from both the sides, if you can?
See, this is a matter of proceeding, but basic arguments are there on the technical ground, the grounds of arrest, petitioner fundamental rights, and other grounds also that whether a person who has been arrested was informed the ground or not, and many other things. So we will have to see the grounds again. I'll say that until unless, because it has not been communicated to us that what are the grounds court has considered, we will see the order sheet, complete order sheet, and after that only we will get to know, and then we will inform the same to the media people.
When the release is possible, sir?
That depends on the other side. They need to apply a copy here again. They have to go to approach the concerned jail authorities, and they will take action as per that. So that I'm not authorized to comment on that, but most probably it will happen maybe tomorrow or day after.